Today I'm going to show you how I mill air drying stickers. And what are air drying stickers? Well, they are these spacers that I put in between each row of lumber or live edge slabs or slabs in general. They're about 1 inches by 1 inches by 48 inches. I personally right now mill all my stickers out of ash. It's a hardwood, it's a light wood, so it doesn't sticker stain, or if it does, it's not that bad. Ash is readily available right now with how all the ash trees dying from the emerald ash borer beetle. I got a feeling I'll be switching species here in the future as ash becomes, less available. So right now, that's what we use. I cut them to 48 inches long because my pallet forks are 42 inches long, and making 48-inch wide stacks is just a good number for the pallet forks and just for drying in general. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I got some logs put in front of the mill here, and we're going to show you how I do it. Alright, well, we got the log on the mill here. So this log is already cut to 48 inches long. I just kind of rough cut them with the chainsaw. Well, we got inside bark is just over 13 inches. And right around the same for the other dimensions. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one pass, possibly two passes. We'll rotate the log, cut this side and then this side, and once we have a good squared edge, we'll put it against our metal bed rail stops there, clamp it tight, and then we'll make a series of 1-inch cuts until we get to the bottom one, rotate it up, and then we'll cut our 1-inch squares. So here we go. right, so in just about 18 minutes, according to my phone recorder, we were able to mill up 86 1x1s for air drying. So that's pretty darn good. These are also really good for, I use them in the garden for a little extra support on my tomato cages or pepper plants. So they serve multiple purposes around here. And actually I cut them into like 16-inch lengths too for marking out my rows in my garden. So if they don't get used for air drying or lumber and material, they'll get used in the garden or whatever else. So, well, I've got all this material back here I need to edge, and I've got a bunch of other dimensional material for this order that I got to get stickered and stacked up. So I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching.